Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I am back to teach you standard 2 SST. Chapter name is keeping our body healthy. So in last videos I taught you about that how we can keep our body healthy. So I'm just telling you in a short, so just listen. If we want to keep our body healthy, so first of all we have to avoid eating the outside food like samosas, chips, pizzas, burgers. So this we have to avoid it, and we have to eat the healthy foods, that is like vegetables, fruits, milk. Milk is very important in at least at night or in morning. It's twice in one day. Paneer, dal, bowl of cereals, nuts, chicken and egg and fish. So this is what it keeps our body healthy. And exercise also, it keeps our body fit and healthy. So here is some exercise like playing, running, swimming, yoga. This all is what it keeps our body fit and healthy. And we need also proper rest. So we have to at least we need rest at least for 8 to 10 hours for sleep. So it can be good for our body also. And I told that I will teach you about the cleanliness. So let's start. We must keep our body clean in order to stay healthy and happy. So if we want our body will become healthy and happy, for that we have to keep our body clean. Means every day we have to wash and we have to brush our teeth, comb the hair, and these all just cut the nails, and these don't keep it dirty. So this what it keeps our body healthy. We should have a bath every day with soap and water. For keeping our body clean, first point, we should have a bath every day. Means every day, so that it keeps our body clean. Don't bath with only water, you can bath with soap and water. So it can removes our germs from the body, and it keeps us to become a clean person. Next, we should shampoo our hair regularly and keep our scalp clean. Scalp means what? The skin that covers a hair is under part of the skin, that hair, where the hair is growing, that scalp. So second is we have to shampoo. We should use the shampoo with shampoo our hair regular and keeps our scalp clean. This is scalp which if it's dirty, then please wash it from the shampoo. Third is dirty hair can get lice. If the hair is dirty, then it becomes the lice. The lice, I think you understood, which comes from our hair, especially it comes from the girl's hair. Too much it's there. So if the hair is dirty, then the lice will can get growing. We should oil our hair regularly and keep it tidy. And we have to give the oil, because hair also needs oil to grow and it to become a shine. So we need oil so that it grows in a proper way. For that we have to oil it regularly, and we have to keep it tidy. It means clean. We have to keep our body clean, like hair also, and we have to keep everything clean so that we can become a healthy person. Next, we should brush our teeth twice a day, and we have to brush our teeth twice a day so that germs will not grow. And for that we have to brush in a one day 2 times, in the morning and at night after eating the last meal. Once in the morning and once at night. So twice in a day. First we have to, in the morning we have to brush our teeth, and second at night. We should try brushing in a circular motion. Circular motion means in a circle motion. So if we are brushing, please brush it in a circular motion so that the germs will just come out from your mouth. Understood? Teeth. Now teeth can get germs and rot it if not kept clean. If you will not clean your teeth, then the germs will spread, and it can just spoil your teeth also, and it becomes yellowish, and the germs will grow here, and again it will start paining, and then again we have to go to the dentist. So it's better that we can brush our teeth twice in a day, and it keeps our germs away. So it's better that without going in a hospital, we just keep our brush healthy. We just keep the brush, do the brush at least 2 times in one day. So it's better that we can at home and safe and healthy persons. Next, we should keep our nails short and get them clipped regularly. And next point is we have to keep our nails. See, my nail is short. So what, you have to also clean your nails, and you have to cut it in a short, so that the germs it's not there. Because suppose the germs is inside your nails and we are eating from our finger. If in finger germs are there, like dirty is there, so whatever we are eating from our hand, lunch and dinner, so it goes inside our stomach, and then it start paining, stomach paining, and these all dramas. So it's better that we can cut our nails, and we can always clean our nails, so the germs will not spread, and whatever we will eat with a clean hands. Long nail get dirty and germs in them. If the long nails are there, then it spreads what, dirt and germs on them, and it can start paining on stomach, because whatever we are eating with fingers, and this all goes inside the stomach, and it will start paining, stomach paining. Next is, we must wash our hands with soap and water before and after meals. That I think all students know, but before eating any meals, first of all we have to wash our hands before and after eating the meals with soap, or with Dettol, or with sanitizers, anything, but we have to wash our hands with soap. Don't wash with water, with use soap before and after the meals. Germs can enter our body through dirty hands and make us ill. Now, how the germs are entered our bodies? It enters through our hands, dirty hands, and it enters our dirty bodies. So after that, our body will become it feels like a sick person. We feel like a ill and a weak person. So it's better, if you want to become a healthy person, so please avoid this all. Please wash your hand with soap before and after eating your food and meals. Next, we should wash our hands after going the toilet also. So after going the toilet also, we have to wash our hand. Most of the students, I think, they don't wash. Please wash it. It can keep the germs away from you. Next is, we should also wash our hand after coming back from play. Suppose in evening time, if you are going to play, and after again you played, and again you come home, before entering anything, before eating something, please wash your hand with a soap, so that the germs will remove from your hands, because you came outside after playing home. So it's better that first of all you wash your hand whenever you eat something. So if you come after playing, wash your hand, and just you can clean your body. We should use a clean handkerchief to use our nose clean, and we have to use handkerchief, because I have always I'm just carrying my handkerchief. So you also carry handkerchiefs to clean your nose. Sometimes it's just coming out, so it's better that you can use the handkerchief. We use many things to keep our body things. Yeah, every person, they are doing to keep their body cleans. They just use the different types of things, so that they can use the medicine also, like holidays and this, so it can become our body strong and clean. So here is some things that it can keeps our body clean. First of all is soap, second toothbrush, third toothpaste, fourth nail clipper, fifth comb, and sixth is shampoo. So these all is what it keeps our body clean. So it's better that we can follow these all rules to become a healthy person. Here is some questions are there. 2 questions point. If you have book, then you can see there. Which soap do you use to keep your body clean? So from which soaps you are just cleaning your bodies? That soap name you have to write down. It depends to you that which soap you are using, like Dettol, Lifebuoy, Lux, whatever the soap you are using when you are cleaning your body. So that soap name you have to write down. Blank is there in blank. Second, which toothpaste do you use to keep your teeth clean? So So which toothpaste while you are brushing, then which toothpaste if you are using, that also name you have to put it in the blank. So yeah, chapter has completed, and I think that you guys have understood the chapter. So whatever the objective types and these all I will give you in PDF. So please kindly you can do it in good handwriting and legible handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day. Enjoy your day.